What if every time you took a step, the world responded with the sound of rushing waterfalls or chirping birds? Imagine walking down the street and, instead of the usual city clatter, your footsteps triggered a symphony of nature. This scenario flips our daily routines into a living, breathing soundscape that could transform how we experience the world. Sound is deeply connected to our brains. Studies show that natural sounds can lower stress, improve focus, and boost mood. Now, if each footfall played a gentle stream or a rustling breeze, even the most mundane commutes might feel like peaceful strolls through a forest. But let's get wild. Packed stadiums could become rainforests, and dance floors would turn into literal jungles of sound chaos. Forget noise complaints. Your neighbor's tap dance might summon a thunderstorm. Scientists believe soundscapes affect our sense of space and time, so maybe we'd walk slower just to savor the ambiance. Or perhaps kids would race to see who could make the loudest ocean wave or bird chorus. In the end, if every step brought nature closer, perhaps we'd all tread a little lighter, both on the ground and in our minds, reminding us how deeply connected we are to the natural world.